it easy. Rahul Sharma operating with the new ball. That slice, that's in the gap. That's more importantly in the gap. That's what matters. The outfield is not the quickest, but it will still travel towards the boundary ropes. First boundary up and away is Uwais. He's well within the crease. He's not somebody who stands outside the crease to negate the movement that the bowlers get. Slashes at it, goes after it. That's the way he plays. I told you, he goes hard at it. Faizan Alam has been good in this over. That's clipped away. Just as I say that, I think I jinxed it. Bowls on the. It's been sensational to watch, to say the least. Oh, that's it through the line. That's it well. That's it over extra cover. That's. And the thing is with Uwe is that he trusts his instincts so much. He's got such good hands, great hand-eye coordination as well. Goes again, this time all along the ground, this time threading the gap once again. Doesn't need to hit it aerial if you can plug the gaps just like that. Sehgal Cricket Club. They've got a potent batting lineup. They'd believe that they've done well for themselves. They believe that it's enough. Oh, what a shot that is. Stands and delivers. Does Karan Sharma. As that goes over that he bowled. Economical. Shiva Singh, the all-rounder. Oh, that's chip. That's in the air. That's safe as well. That might roll away. Uwais batting on 21. Goes after it. That's aerial, but that's away from the fielder. That's 4. Well, Digvesh, he will love this contest that he's having. A narrowed because just 2 fielders outside the 30-yard circle. Goes aerial. Just as I say that. Is it safe though? No, it's not. Karan Sharma back on strike. Karan Sharma batting on 20 of 15. And I'm assuming that Faizan Alam on top of his bowling marks steaming into Karan Sharma was batting on 20. This time gets hold of it. But as he got it in control. And I'd like to welcome my co-commentator Aman into the panel once again.
थैंक यू सो मच राहुल। और दोनों ही टीमें अभी तक अपराजित रही हैं, अनडिफीटेड। आगे निकले बैट्समैन कैफ अहमद, और जिस तरीके से अनुज रावत भी बहुत अच्छे बल्लेबाज हैं। कट किया है बॉल को डीप में खिलाड़ी, क्या रोक पाएंगे? जी नहीं। 4 रन मिले। दिग्वेश के खिलाफ भी कुछ रन्स बनाना चाहेंगे। एक अच्छा स्कोर बोर्ड पर लगाना पड़ेगा टीम दिल्ली चैलेंजर्स को, और उसी के लिए कैफ अहमद लगातार कोशिशें कर रहे हैं। गैप में गेंद, बाद 69 रन 2 विकेट। दिग्वेश के इस ओवर की पहली 4 गेंदों से 7 रन। हवा में खेला अनुज रावत ने इस गेंद को, और गेंद पहुंच गई। कैफ अहमद पिछले ओवर में जब आमना सामना हुआ था अर्जुन से तो 6 लगाया था। इस बार कलाइयों का इस्तेमाल, डीप में खिलाड़ी, लेकिन ऑन द बाउंस। अंतरराष्ट्रीय क्रिकेट में पदार्पण कर चुके हैं अपना ध्रुव जुरैल, इंग्लैंड के खिलाफ। जो चलिए पहले बात करते हैं शॉट की। थोड़ी सी छोटी गेंद, रन रेट 9.06 का। पैरों पर गेंद फ्लिक किया उसको, और मोहम्मद सुल्तान अंसारी ने लगाई डाइव। हाथ में लगी बॉल, गेंद पहुंच गई सीमा रेखा तक। पहली 3 गेंदें बिल्कुल सही ठिकाने पर गिरी हैं आयुष बदोनी की। बड़ा शॉट, अनुज रावत ने पिक किया गेंद की लेंथ को। अनुज रावत के सामने एक बाएं हाथ के बैट्समैन बहुत तेजी से बैट घुमाया था। फ्लाइट हिट, और सामने की तरफ हॉरिजॉन्टल बैट से 12 विकेट्स निकाले थे, और फिर क्वार्टर फाइनल में उतने विकेट्स नहीं मिले दिग्वेश को। ये बड़ा शॉट है, और इस बार ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत जल्दी पिक कर लिया था। 9 रन पर ओवर से नीचे 8.89 का रन रेट। एक और बार हवा में गेंद, और बाजी हमें इस मुकाबले में देखने को मिलती हुई शिवा सिंह की। स्लोअर, काफी ज्यादा ये स्लो गेंद, डीप पे खिलाड़ी ले। आखिरी गेंद, चलिए
Or he's a new man who walks out to the center. He'll be facing his first delivery, and first up he guides it away using the pace of Digvesh. Goes to home. What a season this has been. We've been thoroughly entertained. We've had every worth of our Ahmed. Now, what a knock he's played. You know, uh, we all spoke about Anuj Rawat. Advances down the track. Oh, that's put down. That's been. So Faizan, he's back into the attack. He do well up front, Faizan. Daily challengers less than 180. Carves it away. Nicely done using the pace of the bowler to have a go. And remember, Faizan has got one more over up his sleeves. So in all probability, he'll be bowling the 20th as well. Over the final that Rahul Sharma will be bowling. Comeback of sorts for Rahul Sharma with the older ball. Once again, a half in his range, then the ball for sure is travelling. But the question is, will he get it in his range? He got one for sure. Hasn't got all of it. Hasn't got all of it, and tournament. It's been really high. But I don't know. I don't know what has happened today. Goes big, Shivam. Shivam Sharma this time around. He's got enough meat on that one. That's out into the park. Goes again. This time Ariel. This time Ariel. Could be a chance. Could be a chance. Put down again. What's happened in the book? Final delivery of the over coming up. Goes big again. I think he's got enough. Just about enough. Probably. Because he knows that Faizan will be looking to bowl it slower. That's gone aerial. That's gone miles high. That's gone miles high, and that's been put down. That has been the story of the day. His bouncers are more often than not well directed. Yorker, perfect Yorker, has got a leading edge. Should be a wicket. It is. This is a final over of the innings, and Faizan Alam, would you believe it, has given away just one run. Another perfect Yorker, and this time again, Faizan steaming in. That's a slow one. That's gone miles high in the air. That could be another one for Faizan. It is another one.
spot in the final.
Thank you so much for the warm welcome, Aman.
It's always an honor. Is that a wicket? That is a match. Thinking is, if in the first 6 overs you can get away with minimum damage, then it gives you that much more cushion. It gives you Akash Madhwal in the.
तो फिर वो बहुत ज्यादा काम आने वाले हैं.
I don't think he'll be bowling 4 on the trot. Probably he might just come in and bowl.
प्रयास किया था ब्रिजेश के खिलाफ, तब कनेक्शन नहीं मिला था, लेकिन इससे पहले कनेक्शन मिला और इस बार मिड ऑफ के खिलाड़ी को टेस्ट किया. अनुज रावत वहां मौजूद थे. बढ़िया फील्डिंग उनकी. का आना बाकी है, अभी ध्रुव जुरैल का आना बाकी है, और कितने नंबर पर बल्लेबाजी करने आएंगे वो देखना रोचक रहेगा. एक और बार भरत शर्मा ने गेंद को उठाया, गेंद को उड़ाया और
Be a good over. Positive intent showcased. 12 of the first 3. 3 more to go. Brijesh running in. That's aerial. That's aerial. That could be an opportunity. The fielder getting underneath that one. That's been put down. Another one. The list keeps getting longer and longer. And now Delhi.
चौथी गेंद ब्रिजेश शर्मा की तरफ से गति मिश्रण, बहुत ऊपर गई थी गेंद और फिर उसके बाद कैच ड्रॉप हुआ. एक और बार प्रयास किया बड़ा शॉट लगाने का. टेस्ट श्रृंखला हुई थी. I need to check it again. इस मुकाबले में टीम सैगल क्रिकेट क्लब को लक्ष्य तक पहुंचाने की 177 के लक्ष्य तक. रमेश प्रसाद की ये गेंद और वहां पर
That too in the safe zone. You know, when you talk about the back end, that's after the power plays. That's a safe zone for a bowler. That's
डेब्यू की बात करें तो उन्होंने जिम्बाब्वे के खिलाफ अपना डेब्यू किया. बड़ा शॉट, गेंद हवा में गई है. कैच की कॉल. मिड ऑन के खिलाड़ी गेंद के नीचे आने का प्रयास करते हुए गेंद उनके सिर के ऊपर.
getting the upper hand straight away, getting a boundary of Akash Madhwal first ball. Here we go. What's his reply? He goes bigger. He goes for a 6. Quicker than it comes to you. Well, I've always felt that, you know, if you're bowling 100 kilometers to
मोहम्मद सुल्तान अंसारी को अंदर की तरफ आई ये गेंद. आयुष बतौनी आउट हो चुके हैं, भरत शर्मा आउट हो चुके हैं। इस बार गेंद हवा में गई है, मोहम्मद सुल्तान अंसारी, ये बढ़िया था। पहले आकाश और हंस दिखाई दिए और फिर जैसे ही वो गए तो ध्रुव हमें दिखाई दिए। गेंद हवा में गई, कैच की कॉल, खिलाड़ी गेंद के नीचे आए, बड़ा विकेट प्राप्त किया।
Is looking so fluent, and we all know what he's capable of. He's gone big. The captain doesn't hold back. I told you he only played a great all-round man to have in your team. And the best part about him is he's a fighter. Just like that. Just what Aman was talking.
Maybe you are going to witness some more spinners bowling from Team Delhi Challengers. Shivam Chaudhary this time.
Was some bat on it. But what a grab it was regardless. Tremendous take by the wicketkeeper. That's been put away for 4. Was some bat on it. But what a grab it was regardless. Tremendous take by the wicketkeeper. That's been put away for 4. 2. You know, the good old cricket. You saw even the orthodox bowlers coming over the wicket, but not anymore.
He's tasting the own medicine. हवा में, long on के हाथ में.
It will be Kumar Karthikeya Singh, who's been so difficult to put away. Tosses it up, goes after it, the batter. He's found the gap.
कार्तिकेय सिंह भी हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि बहुत ही जल्दी भारतीय टीम की जर्सी में आपको इसी प्रकार से गेंदों को घुमाते हुए नजर आएंगे। ये वेरिएशन बहुत अच्छा है। इस बार बढ़िया स्वीप शॉट, गैप में 4।
You know, you don't need to go through the roof here to achieve that. That's very gettable in this format of the game in this modern age. That's much more like it. That's much more orange. 96 for 6. Akash steaming in once again. Oh, he's picked it up off his pads. He's clipped that away. That run rate is precisely 10. Akash Madhwal is coming in again, bangs it in short.
अपनी सीट पर नहीं बैठे रहना चाहेगा अगर इस प्रकार के मुकाबले चल रहे हो। कट किया है, 4 बिले हैं, कोई नहीं रोक पाएगा। बहुत बढ़िया शॉट। As you mentioned that 1 wicket and team in blue can make a comeback. They will be in the game once again. They are still in the game. हो जाएगा टीम SCCS के लिए 177 तक पहुंच पाना, क्योंकि अभी भी जो आस्किंग रेट है वो 10 के आसपास। यहाँ खराब फील्डिंग। इस प्रकार के एफर्ट्स 38 गेंदों में 62 रन आप देखेंगे कि 10 छक्कों की आवश्यकता सिर्फ तो नहीं कहूंगा, लेकिन यहां पर ब्रजेश शर्मा
to take back the trophy where it belongs, according to them.
रमेश प्रसाद की इस गेंद
Them well. He's got his eye in. He's seeing the ball big. And oh, he's gone for a big shot. Just as I say that.
gave only few runs, and now Kumar Karthikeya Singh has given 3 in his first 2 balls. Great delivery.
Very crucial. This is the point we were making. Kumar Karthikeya. Oh, that's been put away for 4.
समय स्कोर 177 तक पहुंचने की कोशिश जारी टीम सैगल क्रिकेट क्लब की। फर्स्ट बॉल, बड़ा शॉट, लॉन्ग ऑन पर खिलाड़ी, अच्छी फील्डिंग।
If Akhil finishes off well, if he closes this over well, then Delhi Challengers are winning this game. Oh, he goes big, he goes straight.
Everything. 150 पर 7 टीम सैगल क्रिकेट क्लब एक बार फिर से भगमिंदर स्ट्राइक पर। बैट घुमाया उन्होंने, लॉन्ग ऑफ की तरफ गेंद को खेला, वाइडिश लॉन्ग ऑफ की तरफ गेंद को खेला, गेंद बाउंड्री लाइन तक। क्या
You know, no matter what the result would be, because if he's able to provide you that killer blow, you're winning this game. But meanwhile, Arjun to bowl that super over. I'm sure it won't be a spinner.
he would be Brajesh. Oh my God! Arjun!
This is what we adore, and this is what we come to watch. As we keep saying, worth every penny. That's it. I think that's a decisive blow.